back to another video. It's your boy Serrano. Shout out to Nuu Mobile and shout out to TUDIA. Without any further ado, we're going to take a look at the ruby red and the sapphire blue. So make sure you stay locked in right after this, and I'll see you right after these messages. Peace. Okay family, so we do have the packaging right here. Let's go ahead and open that right up and see the TUDIA case right here for the G3 Mobile. Some of the print on there, read that for yourselves. Now it does say made in China, TUDIA, and tells you that it's coming from Minnesota, so that's actually pretty cool. Then it says that this is the black color. So we got the black color, which is really neutral. Let's go ahead and unbox this really quickly. Right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and move forward with the unboxing of the TUDIA case. Let's go ahead and take it out the packaging. Right there you can see it does say the Nuu G3 right here, and you can see there's a piece of cardboard in there to secure it. You actually get this nice honeycomb, or you know, like just a hexagonal pattern in there, which looks really nice. You can see that it does have that Y symbol repeated over and over again, and that looks pretty cool. Like when you turn it to the back, you can see there's a carbon fiber look at the top right here, so you're getting some a nice little finish right there, which actually looks really cool. And the same thing for the bottom. So they're also letting you know that it's a TUDIA case, and you could see some of the branding right here, which actually is pretty cool. So they want you to know it's their case, so that's actually pretty cool. Now let's take a look at the power button, which is located at the bottom, and then you can see the bottom volume rocker and the top volume rocker. When you go to the bottom, you can see the Type-C. You can see we are getting a microphone cutout, and you could see right here is the speaker cutout, also the camera cutout right there for the dual cameras, and you are getting a nice little cutout. Pretty much nothing at the top and nothing on the left. So without any further ado, let's just try this thing out on the Nuu G3 Mobile. Alright guys, so let's take a look at the Nuu G3 TUDIA case on the sapphire blue right here. Let's first take a look at the nice premium colors that we're getting on the Nuu G3 sapphire blue color. So that actually looks really nice. So you can see the case actually fits really easily, and that actually looks really good. You can see that there is lip protection all the way around it, so you can actually put your Nuu G3 Mobile on a surface now without scratching that nice 2.5D glass on the front, which is actually really beautiful. Also the back is going to be covered, and you can actually see that those hits of blue bursting out the back from the case, which actually looks really beautiful with that sapphire blue color. That looks really nice. I definitely like how this feels in the hand. Now this isn't on, I'm not going to turn this one on because this one is already on. So let's just go ahead and try out the TUDIA case on the new ruby red color. So let's just go right ahead, take off the TPU case, which didn't actually provide any lip protection. When you put this thing on a surface, you can actually feel the screen rubbing against the surface, and that's actually not the best thing for the screen. You don't want to get scratches, so it's definitely worth the $15 to actually go ahead and purchase the TUDIA case for your Nuu G3 Mobile or Nuu G3 Plus. You can get the onyx black color, which they did actually offer as well, and they also do have a new color on the website. If you didn't already know, it's a limited edition color, and it's actually the purple color. So let's go ahead and apply the TUDIA case right here to the Nuu G3 ruby red color, and you can see, whoa, that looks really good with those hits of red right there on the back, and you could still see the nice color of the phone right there. Let's go ahead and try out the fingerprint sensor. So let's go right ahead. And you can see that was really fast. Let's go ahead and turn up the brightness. Let's go ahead, clear out the notifications, and let's try that one more time. Yeah, so that's really quick. Let's also check out the facial recognition. And that was really quick. Let's try that one more time. And that was super quick. One more time. Nice. Okay, so the fingerprint sensor one more time. And perfect. Alright, let's go ahead and test out the volume keys right here. So they actually feel really nice with the case on there. That's actually perfect. I'm definitely loving the added protection I'm getting on here, and it's actually protected completely, and it still looks really nice. And this black color complements it very well. It's a really neutral color, and it actually looks really good with the red on there. Or you can actually get the blue on there one more time. Let's just go ahead and see how that looks with the blue color on there one more time. And just put that right inside there, and you can see it's really easy to get on. So I'll leave a link down below if you're interested in getting the TUDIA case for the Nuu G3 Mobile. And this is actually a really nice case, and I would definitely recommend getting it if you want to protect your phone and have it last for a very long time. So make sure you click that like button. I thank you for actually checking out the whole video. Put Nuu G3 Mobile hashtag in the comment section down below if you watched the video from the beginning to the end, and make sure you click the like button on your way out. It's your boy Serrano. Thank you for staying locked in, and I'll see you guys on the next video. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, have a great night. Peace.